welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna discuss about types of disputes done by model Meera Mithun. We can't judge as why one could take positive or negative mode of controversies for promotions which make them famous. Meera Mithun is a model and actress who has appeared in Tamil language films. After beginning her career as a print model, she became an actress, making her debut with a supporting role in 8 Thutakal. The first controversy started by Meera when she is being questioned by the judges on her poor performance while she stopped dancing in the 8th season of the dance Jodi No. 1. After this controversy in Jodi, she acquired few film opportunities like Gautam Menon's Yenai Arundal in a short for the movie in late 2014 and appeared in scenes alongside Trisha and Ajit Kumar. However, her personality did not make the theatrical cut. During 2016, she shot for a small role in Ellen's unreleased movie Grahanam and for an assisting position in 8 Thutakal, which grew to become her first film release. Her next appearance was in Vignesh Sivan's comedy Thana Sarinda Kootam. She has given extra significance in glamour than in acting. After Thana Sarinda Kootam, she participated in Bigg Boss Season 3. She stayed almost 35 days in the Bigg Boss house, and every day there was some of the other disputes made by her. Meanwhile, in the latest episode, Meera made drama for the duration of the village task. A huge uproar broke out in the house when Meera accused director Charan of manhandling her and the usage of harsh physical violence during the undertaking that came across as harassment. However, host of the show, Sir Kamal Haasan, will no doubt address this issue going forward. A few days later, Meera accused even the Bigg Boss Tamil host and celebrity Kamal Haasan also of nepotism for getting her replaced with his daughter Akshara Haasan in the film. She wrote, "So it is clear now that the nepotism is as its top in Kollywood." Mithun acquired offers to function in Pandyraj's Namma Veetu Pillai and Agni Sirigal. However, she complained after her position was mostly removed from the former film, she was completely dropped from the later films. She subsequently accused manufacturing studio Sun Pictures and actor Kamal Haasan for being involved in making the modifications. We don't know whether it's true or not, but I think she's blaming Kamal Haasan sir also. Due to less offers from the film industry to attain the importance, she started controversies on top heroes and heroines like Thalapathy Vijay, Surya, Jyotika, Vijay wife, Sangeeta, Trisha, etc. Oh my god, she has started to have controversies on so many top famous people. Meera has shared a stunning video in which she says that each time she posts on Twitter about her achievements, fans of Vijay and Surya called her as abuse actress. She has started that she will submit tweets about Jyotika and Sangeeta in a disrespectful language if followers of Vijay and Surya do not quit abusing her. This is not fair, Meera ji. Meera Mithun launched the video putting down actor Vijay and Surya as they are using the cyberbullies to threaten a woman, abuse a woman, and if they are doing that, better from tomorrow, don't name themselves as men. Instead, she said that she would send a set of bangles and saris. Isn't it fair at all these statements? But however, our actor Surya sir replied to this controversy posting a tweet that read, "I desire to use the time and strength of my brothers and sisters for productive purposes. My heartfelt thanks to legendary director Bharati Raj." He quote tweeted every other tweets from 2018 that read, "We must not lower our requirements in response to substandard reviews. Spend your time and energy in a better way than advantages the community." What an acute response, Surya sir. Finally, Meera Mithun has decided to become a film producer in the upcoming movie since no film offers for her in her. Apart from this, all controversies or the disputes happening in the industry, on a positive note, actor Vijay, who generally maintains a low profile in social media, has taken up the Green India Challenge tagged by actor Mahesh Babu and shared the snapshots. Really nice of him for the challenge he has taken and shared in other ways. Thalapathy Vijay is conveying the importance of greenery which spreads positivity. Please do not forget to subscribe and like. Take care guys, stay healthy and stay safe. We'll get back with other interesting topic.